The 2011 Matrix. Fuel efficient and practical, the Toyota Matrix boasts a cavernous 48.9 cubic feet of cargo space and convenient anti-slip rubber strips in the cargo floor. The 1.8-liter dual overhead cam, 16-valve four-cylinder in Matrix features dual independent variable valve timing with intelligence, allowing cam timing to be adjusted to suit a broad range of conditions, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD, bucket seats, MP3 player, power door locks, passenger airbag, power windows, CD player, rear head airbag, auxiliary audio input, cloth seats, heated mirrors, steel wheels, tires, rear performance. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.